Have you ever attempted to apply the principles of the mirror principle? If so, you should be aware of this. There's a dark truth that many people don't know about. Keep watching, and you'll find out the hidden truth that no one is telling you about the mirror principle. The mirror principle is like a concept that says what we put out into the world, we get back. In simpler terms, it suggests that our thoughts, feelings, and actions reflect back to us in our experiences. So if we think positively, we'll attract positive things. And if we think negatively, we'll attract negative things. It's like looking into a mirror. What we see is a reflection of ourselves. By focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, we can manifest our desires and achieve success in various areas of life, such as relationships, career, and health. This idea has gained popularity because it gives people a sense of control over their lives. It suggests that we have the power to change our circumstances by changing our mindset. While the mirror principle can be empowering, it's essential to understand that it's not a magic formula. It doesn't mean that if we simply think positive thoughts, everything will magically fall into place. Life is more complex than that. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, things don't go as planned. And this is where the potential dark side of the mirror principle comes into play. It's crucial to recognize that the mirror principle isn't just about positive thinking. It's also about self-awareness. It asks us to take a close look at ourselves and our beliefs, which can sometimes be uncomfortable. This introspection can lead to feelings of guilt or self-blame if we believe that our negative experiences are a result of our own thoughts or actions. This aspect of the mirror principle is often overlooked in the pursuit of positivity and success. While the mirror principle offers a hopeful perspective on life, it's essential to acknowledge its potential dark side. One significant drawback is the tendency for individuals to misinterpret their negative experiences as a reflection of their own shortcomings. This can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and self-blame, which are not only unproductive, but can also be damaging to one's mental well-being. When individuals subscribe too heavily to the mirror principle, they may start to believe that every negative event in their life is a direct result of their thoughts or actions. This can create a constant sense of pressure to maintain positive thinking, which is unrealistic and can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Moreover, it overlooks the role of external factors beyond our control, such as societal structures, systemic inequalities, and random chance. Another potential pitfall of the mirror principle is its tendency to oversimplify complex situations. Life is messy, and not everything can be neatly categorized as either positive or negative. By focusing solely on positive thinking, individuals may suppress or deny their true emotions, leading to a lack of authenticity and genuine self-expression. This can ultimately hinder personal growth and prevent individuals from addressing underlying issues that need attention. Furthermore, the emphasis on positivity can sometimes border on toxic positivity, where individuals feel pressure to maintain a facade of happiness even in the face of genuine suffering. This can invalidate people's experiences and make them feel guilty for experiencing negative emotions, further exacerbating their distress. In the midst of exploring the mirror principle, it's crucial to understand the pivotal role that self-compassion plays in maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness and understanding, especially during times of difficulty or failure. It's about acknowledging our humanity and embracing our imperfections with gentleness and empathy. When applying the mirror principle, it's easy to fall into the trap of self-blame and harsh self-criticism when things don't go according to plan. However, cultivating self-compassion allows us to approach our experiences with greater kindness and understanding. Instead of berating ourselves for perceived failures, we can recognize that setbacks are a natural part of life and an opportunity for growth and learning. Research has shown that self-compassion is associated with numerous benefits, including increased resilience, greater emotional well-being, and improved relationships with others. By practicing self-compassion, we can develop a more balanced and compassionate perspective on ourselves and our experiences, which is essential for navigating the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. Self-compassion provides a powerful antidote to the negative effects of the mirror principle, such as guilt and self-blame. Instead of seeing negative experiences as a reflection of our inadequacies, we can approach them with self-compassion and understanding, recognizing that we are doing the best we can with the resources and knowledge we have. As we delve deeper into understanding the mirror principle, it's crucial to address the concept of toxic positivity and how to avoid falling into its trap. Toxic positivity refers to the overemphasis on maintaining a positive attitude and denying or invalidating any negative emotions or experiences. While positivity can be beneficial, toxic positivity can be harmful as it dismisses genuine feelings and can lead to emotional suppression and denial. When applying the mirror principle, it's essential to recognize that experiencing negative emotions is a natural and healthy part of being human. Suppressing or denying these emotions in the name of positivity can create internal conflict and exacerbate feelings of guilt and shame. Instead, it's essential to acknowledge and validate our emotions, even if they are unpleasant or uncomfortable. One way to avoid toxic positivity when working with the mirror principle is to practice emotional honesty and authenticity. This involves allowing ourselves to experience and express a full range of emotions, both positive and negative, without judgment or self-criticism. By embracing our emotions with openness and acceptance, we can cultivate a deeper sense of authenticity and genuine connection with ourselves and others. Additionally, it's essential to recognize that positivity isn't always the appropriate response to every situation. Sometimes it's okay to feel sad, angry, or frustrated, and these emotions can provide valuable insights into our needs and desires. By allowing ourselves to fully experience and process these emotions, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our experiences, leading to greater personal growth and resilience. Authenticity refers to being true to oneself and expressing one's thoughts, feelings, and values genuinely without pretense or facade. Vulnerability involves allowing oneself to be open and exposed, even in the face of uncertainty or risk. Embracing authenticity and vulnerability can lead to profound personal growth and connection with others. When working with the mirror principle, authenticity is key to creating genuine and meaningful experiences. By being authentic, we align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our true selves, allowing us to attract experiences that are in alignment with our values and desires. This authenticity fosters a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and others, leading to more fulfilling relationships and experiences. Vulnerability also plays a crucial role in our relationship with the mirror principle. By allowing ourselves to be vulnerable, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences. We become more receptive to feedback and guidance, allowing us to learn and grow from our experiences. This vulnerability fosters a sense of courage and resilience, allowing us to navigate the ups and downs of life with greater grace and authenticity. Authenticity and vulnerability provide a powerful antidote to the negative effects of the mirror principle, such as superficiality and emotional suppression. By embracing authenticity and vulnerability, we can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and self-acceptance, allowing us to navigate the complexities of life with greater ease and resilience. Self-reflection involves examining our thoughts, feelings, and actions with honesty and curiosity, with the goal of gaining insight and self-awareness. However, it's essential to approach self-reflection with compassion and kindness rather than judgment and criticism. One way to navigate self-reflection effectively is to cultivate a practice of mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment with openness and acceptance, without judgment or attachment. By practicing mindfulness, we can observe our thoughts and emotions with greater clarity and objectivity, allowing us to gain insights into our patterns and behaviors without becoming overwhelmed by self-criticism. Another helpful strategy is to practice self-compassion during self-reflection. Self-compassion involves treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, especially when we are facing challenges or setbacks. Instead of berating ourselves for perceived failures, we can offer ourselves the same compassion and support that we would offer to a friend in a similar situation. This self-compassionate perspective can help us approach self-reflection with greater gentleness and acceptance. It's also essential to set realistic expectations for self-reflection. Personal growth is a journey, and it's natural to encounter obstacles and setbacks along the way. Instead of expecting perfection, we can embrace the process of growth and learning, recognizing that each experience, whether positive or negative, offers an opportunity for insight and growth. Additionally, seeking support from others can be invaluable in navigating self-reflection. Whether through therapy, coaching, or supportive friendships, having a safe space to explore our thoughts and feelings can provide valuable perspective and guidance. It's okay to ask for help and support when needed, and doing so can accelerate our personal growth journey. While the mirror principle offers valuable insights into the relationship between our thoughts, feelings, and experiences, it's crucial to approach it with awareness and understanding. First and foremost, it's important to recognize that the mirror principle is just one perspective among many. While it can be empowering to believe that we have control over our reality, it's also essential to acknowledge the role of external factors beyond our control, such as societal structures, systemic inequalities, and random chance. By embracing a more nuanced understanding of the mirror principle, we can avoid oversimplification and promote a deeper appreciation for the complexities of life. It's essential to integrate self-compassion, authenticity, and vulnerability into our practice of the mirror principle. These qualities provide a powerful antidote to the potential pitfalls of guilt, self-blame, and toxic positivity. By treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, being true to ourselves, and allowing ourselves to be open and vulnerable, we can navigate the ups and downs of life with greater resilience and grace. Lastly, it's important to remember that personal growth is a journey, not a destination. It's natural to encounter obstacles and setbacks along the way, and these experiences offer valuable opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of striving for perfection, we can embrace the process of growth and self-discovery, recognizing that each experience, whether positive or negative, contributes to our overall development. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.